So what keeps me going when I'm dealing with adversity and tough circumstances, when I feel like giving up or throwing in the towel or whatever? Am I catching that right? Yeah. So that's a great question. I'm just a dude. I'm stumbling, bumbling, rumbling, getting it wrong, messing up, having tough days like everybody else. But one of the things that does help, I try to pay attention, like have self-awareness of all of the different things that I need and that feed me, psychologically, emotionally, spiritually, physically, and all of that. It's hard in this day and age. Like, I think even our very youngest people are just bombarded with pressure. And we're enculturated to like perfectionism. And we're so hard on ourselves and everyone else. So I try, I don't always succeed. I give myself a dang break and paying attention to the things I need to charge my battery. So for me, sometimes like take care of my body. I gotta go for a run. I'm an outgoing introvert, so I get my battery charged away from people, but then once I'm charged up, I actually like humans. So I need to, like, when I'm running low, I'm like, I'm out, checking out, see you later, going for a walk, going for a run, whatever. Sometimes that'll help. I have to ping pong between, I think some of the work gets done in mixed company. Tonight, we're working, all of us, in mixed company, just being engaged in this together. And then some things have to happen in an affinity space. So sometimes I'm like, summer, man, I'm on break. I'm going to ceremonies, going to the powwow, catch you in the fall, like literally to folks at work. I'll just like have a boundary. I will check some emails, but I'm not going to whack-a-mole all summer long. And above all, I think I try to remind myself about the things that really matter the most. For me, I want my kids to have a chance at a long, healthy, happy life. I think anybody who has kids, that would be their wish. We might have different ideas about what you need for a long, healthy, happy life, but I think there'd be a shared wish. And so then when I think about what are they going to need, that often motivates me to come back and show up again. But yes, I deal with exhaustion, like not just physical, but like mentally and emotionally exhausted, dealing with like BS. You know what I mean? Like, this stuff should have been sorted out generations ago, like, come on, Well, that helps me summon enough patience to do it again. Not that I have a perfect track record by any means.